I love, kids. I like to teach kids. I want to give back to the community. Trying to showcase more about the culture of Hawaii, the melting pot of all cultures. I try to adapt things that they never tried before, get them used to it. I try to highlight, of course, local foods. They can go to the grocery store and get those local foods.
So I've made the musubis that we learned how to make.
What did your family think?
They thought it was really good.
So what did you learn differently in this program?
How to cut differently, the right way.
I hope that they venture off to different types of vegetables or fruits or things that are eating healthy.
So what did you think of the pancakes today?
They were really good.
They were good. I think Chef will be happy to hear that.